Can't believe they did that. Good on you, FabFitFun. Good on you. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing our FabFitFun unboxing for fall of 2024. I just got home from a workout class, so I am sweaty, but I opened my door and saw this giant box from FabFitFun, and I'm so excited to open it. So I figured we'd just sit down and open it up together. My hair looks crazy, my face is sweaty, I am gross, but I'm also excited. I have my laptop pulled up right here so I can tell you prices as I go through. And let's go ahead and open it up. Where is my sharp object? That was satisfying. Probably looks like a serial killer though. If you're not familiar with FabFitFun, they are a lifestyle subscription. It is quarterly and you pay about $50 a quarter and you get to customize your entire box. If you pay annually, you do get to customize earlier so you can make sure that you get the options that you want, but you can also subscribe seasonally and you are going to get good stuff. They give you tons of great deals for the price. You always have at least $200 worth of value in your box, and since you get to pick the items, you get to make sure that the value is not just a monetary value, but also a value in terms of how you're going to use it in your daily life. And I love that. So let's go ahead and see what I got. I do always get 2 mystery bags. So we will save that for the end. Refill of my fiance's toothbrushes. So this is my actual box. This is cute on the inside. So I think they are doing a Ricola collaboration, which I think is perfect for the fall because I feel like I always have a sore throat in the fall. Okay, first thing I customized is this bag. This is the 4th and Reckless faux suede crescent bag, and it is a $60 value. I don't really need more purses if I'm being honest, but I didn't have anything this size, and I feel like this would be a really good size for my life. So thought this was really pretty. I love the faux suede. I feel like it's a very nice brown. Okay, inside does just have 1 pocket, and then the rest is just open. But this is really, really pretty. I'm gonna be using this a lot. I feel like you can style it in a lot of different ways too. It's a very versatile size. And it's a $60 handbag, which I would never spend. Already pays for the cost of the box. For the next customization, I picked a pair of slippers. These are so soft. They are so fuzzy. They're from Muklux, which is a brand that I really, really like. And they're so thick. I have to say they're not quite as padded as I expected. It's kind of like a soft spot and then the whole platform is like pretty hard. But because of that, I do think they're gonna be really supportive. So these are beautiful. These are luxurious. And these are a $49 value. Again, I would never spend that on a pair of slippers, but I'm very, very happy to have them. For the next customization, I got the Herbivore Botanicals Green Magic. And this is a redness reducing serum, which is awesome for me because as you can see, I have a lot of redness on my face. I've heard really good things about this Green Magic brand. I've never tried any of their products. I've never seen them in a subscription box before. So I'm very excited to get to try it. Ooh, this packaging reminds me a lot of Earth Harbor. Yeah, Earth Harbor packaging. And look how fun this like green color is. It smells like a very high-end spa, which I love. Bottle is glass and it is a pump style. Love this. Very excited to try that out. And then the last thing that I customized is the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Mineral Sunscreen, and this is SPF 30. I feel like I kind of forget about sunscreen in the fall, which is really bad. And I've been doing a lot better about it, so I wanted to get a new one that I know is a really good brand. I'm really only using mineral sunscreen because it's just better for I feel like it works better for my skin. And I like the Ole Henriksen brand a lot. This one, I'm interested to see if it is banana scented, or like smells like banana, or what the situation is. Oh, that is oily and liquidy and gross. Doesn't really smell like banana. Doesn't really smell like anything, to be honest. But I don't like the texture that was. Ew. Okay, I have to say it's kind of coming out in a gross way. Once I mix it, it feels good. So, I don't know, maybe I just need to like shake it a little bit more, but we're gonna try that out. That sunscreen is a $35 value. So the other two customizations, I decided to just let them pick. I wasn't seeing anything that was really calling to me, so I decided to take the gamble and pick the mystery choice. First thing I'm seeing in here is a hand and body wash. Okay, just say I'm not the most excited about a hand wash, but a body wash, cool. This is from Cusio Botanicals. It is a lavender and rosemary scent. That sounds delightful. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Smells exactly like lavender and rosemary. Very, very spa-like. I'm really excited. This is 8 fluid ounces, so it's a decent size for a hand soap, not the biggest for a body wash, but I feel like this will probably be the kind of thing where a little goes a long way. It looks like it's gonna lather quite a bit. Not something I would have picked for myself, but I am very happy to have it. And then we have this tote bag. Okay, this is really cute. It's kind of a like groovy 60s style tote bag, and it's pretty large. I feel like this is bigger than like a standard tote. Super, super thick, and I like this yellow color. I think this is cute. Again, not something I would have particularly chosen for myself, but I do like it. So that is everything in my physical box. Total value of everything without the mystery items is $232. Now, let's see what the mystery items that I got are. So I always get 2 of these, and they are $19.99 each. Let's start with this one. First thing I'm seeing is a Dr. B Lab Melting Gel to Oil Moisturizer. Honestly, running low on my moisturizer, so I'm excited to try a new one out. It starts as a clear gel, like it said, and then it's going to melt into an oil, supposedly. Kind of just feels like a gel. Doesn't really have a scent. I like it. It definitely feels lightweight. It's gonna probably be more of like a day moisturizer for me, but it is leaving like a nice glow. I don't know if you can tell the difference between my palms, so we love a glow. Seeing some Invisibobble Scrunchy Slims. Okay, that's fun. I'm not usually a big fan of Invisibobbles, but I like these like thin scrunchy style, so these are cute. I probably will end up keeping these to give as a gift. Very happy to have these. Probably will end up passing them forward. And then the last thing in this mystery box is a set of 4 cups. Fun. These are from Chic and Tonic. I've gotten something from this brand before. Ooh, okay, these are a pretty color. I love these. Look how fun those are. And you do get a set of 4. They're like hefty cups. And they are dishwasher safe, top rack only, which we love to see that. So these are really cute. I think that was a pretty good mystery box. Definitely think that was worth the 20 bucks. Moisturizer alone, happy to have that for 20 bucks. Those Invisibobble things are usually pretty expensive, so that's great. And then a set of 4 cups is probably about 20 bucks too. So definitely got my money's worth. Now this one, I don't know what this is. Kind of looks like a rug. Let's start with the small stuff. Another pack of Invisibobbles. These are cute. They're like a pink and purple swirl. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is an Ahava hand cream. I love Ahava. It is probably my favorite skincare brand of all time, and their hand creams are so good. I've never had this ocean mist scent. I've just had their regular one. Especially in the fall and winter, my hands get so dry. That smells nice. It's not what I would typically say like ocean smells like, because to me, ocean kind of smells like fish and salt. It smells more like really high-end sunscreen, coconut milk, definitely like a little bit of salt. It smells really good. It smells really, really good. And it feels so nice. It's like, it doesn't feel greasy, it doesn't feel sticky, it doesn't feel thick. It's just very, like a nice layer of moisture on my skin. So I'm so happy. I'm like so happy to have this. This is thrilling to me, honestly. And then this is the last item in here. I think this is a rug. Oh, it's a bath mat. Okay, that's kind of fun. Really soft. It is really soft. I don't think I've ever seen FabFitFun do a bath mat. Oh, this is a big bath mat. Okay, that's cute. It's like a little flower. This is really cute. I like this a lot. This is really nice, and this is from Summer and Rose. We get a lot of stuff from them, and I really like it. Their stuff is really nice quality. Usually like hair tools or like hair clips and stuff, so haven't seen anything like this. But I can't believe we got a bath mat. That's awesome. I can't believe they did that. Good on you, FabFitFun. Good on you. that is everything in my FabFitFun box and my mystery boxes. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today. If you're interested in trying FabFitFun, I do have a code or maybe a link. I think it's a link to save you a little bit of money. So I'll go ahead and put that up on the screen for you so you can use that and save yourself some coin. If you subscribe to FabFitFun, what did you get in your box this season? I'm always so curious to see if we pick the same things or if you go a totally different route. And if you've used any of these products in the past, definitely let me know what your experience was, because I think everything is pretty much new to me. So I'm very excited to try everything out, and I'm very excited to hear your comments and thoughts down below. So be sure to leave a comment and let me know what you think. I really appreciate you being here, and I hope you consider sticking around and subscribing. Look forward to seeing you in my next video, and in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!